Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Garmin has been rolling out major updates across its wearable lineup, refreshing the Fenix, Enduro, Instinct, and Approach series with new features and designs. However, one lineup has remained noticeably absent from these recent updates: the Forerunner series. Many fans have been eagerly awaiting news on the next high-end Forerunner model. And now, thanks to a newly surfaced FCC listing, it looks like Garmin might finally be preparing to launch the Forerunner 975. But there's a twist, and we'll get into that shortly. The Forerunner 975. Is it finally on the horizon? The Forerunner 265 and 965 were released in 2023, offering impressive features and performance for runners and endurance athletes. However, as Garmin continues to update its other product lines, the absence of a new high-end Forerunner model has been puzzling. Given Garmin's typical release cycle, a successor to the Forerunner 965 has been long overdue. Now, it looks like the wait might finally be coming to an end. The FCC listing that started the speculation. A new filing, discovered by the 5K runner, provides a crucial clue. The FCC listing, labeled IP04968, was certified in December 2024. While Garmin has become increasingly secretive with these filings, removing product names and key details, one crucial piece of information stands out. The confidentiality period expires on June 17, 2025. This strongly suggests that whatever device this is, it will likely be revealed before the summer of 2025. Given Garmin's history of launching new Forerunner models in March, this timeline aligns well with expectations for the Forerunner 975. But here's where things get interesting. Based on the details in the FCC filing, it appears that this device does not support Garmin Pay. That's a surprising omission for a high-end running watch, leading to speculation that this might not be the Forerunner 975 at all, but possibly something else entirely. What if this isn't the Forerunner 975? The absence of Garmin Pay raises a few possibilities. Could Garmin be releasing a more budget-friendly version of the Forerunner series? Some speculate that this might be an entirely new running watch targeted at a different segment of athletes. Others suggest that this listing could belong to a new Edge 150 cycling computer, which would explain the lack of Garmin Pay functionality. If this is indeed the Forerunner 975, Garmin might be planning a shift in features, perhaps focusing more on performance tracking, advanced training metrics, and battery life improvements, rather than smartwatch-style features like NFC payments. Potential features of the Forerunner 975. If this device is the Forerunner 975, we can expect it to build upon the strengths of its predecessor, the Forerunner 965, while introducing new advancements. Some of the rumored or anticipated features include enhanced AMOLED display, brighter and more power-efficient than previous models, next-gen training features, improved AI-powered coaching, personalized workout recommendations, and new recovery insights, extended battery life, a key focus area, possibly integrating solar charging technology seen in the Fenix series, improved GPS accuracy, multi-band GPS and enhanced satellite connectivity for ultra-precise tracking, new health sensors, potential upgrades in heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and advanced sleep analytics, more customization options, expanded watch face and widget customization, catering to runners who love personalizing their devices. Why this launch matters. The Forerunner 965 was already one of the best GPS running watches on the market, competing with top-tier options from brands like Polar, Coros, and Suunto. If the Forerunner 975 indeed launches in 2025, it will need to deliver significant upgrades to maintain its edge in a rapidly evolving fitness tech market. Additionally, Garmin faces increasing competition from Apple, Samsung, and Whoop, all of whom are expanding their fitness and health tracking capabilities. With the Apple Watch Ultra 3 rumored to be on the way, Garmin will need to ensure that the Forerunner 975 offers unique features tailored specifically for runners and endurance athletes. Should you wait to upgrade? If you're considering a new running watch, holding off for a few more months might be a smart move. If Garmin does release the Forerunner 975, it could offer substantial improvements over the current Forerunner 965. On the other hand, if this FCC listing turns out to be something else, like a new Edge cycling computer, then we might have to wait even longer for the next Forerunner update. Either way, something big is definitely on the horizon. Garmin's secrecy around this FCC listing suggests that they are preparing for a significant product reveal in 2025. Whether it's the Forerunner 975 or an entirely new device, we'll find out soon enough. Final thoughts. Stay tuned for more updates. As we wait for more official details, let me know what you think in the comments. Would you be excited for a Forerunner 975? Or do you think Garmin is preparing to surprise us with something entirely new? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the latest Garmin releases, fitness tech news, and in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.